How to download app from Chrome on iPhone. That you have to follow this step and watch the video till the end. First of all, you have to navigate to your setting, and once you are on your setting, you can just go for your screen time here. Once you are on your screen time on your iPhone, so here you have to scroll down and go for the content and privacy restriction. And here you have to just go and allow this. And once you are here, you have to just go for the iTunes and App Store purchase and just go for the installing app. And once you are here, you have to just go for the allow it option and just go back. After that, you have to just go for the Google Chrome here. Open up your Google Chrome. Once you have opened up your Google Chrome, you have to search for the app to download, just like Snapchat here. After searching for the Snapchat, so here you can see that Snapchat for iPhone. After searching for Snapchat for iPhone, here you can find the install option. You have to just tap on the install option here. And here you can see that you will find your Snapchat and you can easily download this app from here. You can see that. I hope this video is very helpful for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.